Hello friends, today's lecture is about the physiography of India. We will explore the major physical features that define the Indian landscape, from the mighty Himalayas to the beautiful coastal plains and islands. Understanding India's physiographic structure is key to appreciating its diverse geography, natural resources, and cultural variation. Introduction to India. India is the seventh largest country in the world and cover about 2.42% of the total global land area. It is located entirely in the Northern Hemisphere. One of the interesting geographical features is the Tropic of Cancer, which passes almost through the center of India, dividing it into nearly equal northern and southern half. This positioning contributes to our varied climate and natural zones. Indian coastal line. India has a vast coastal line. The longest coastal line is found in Gujarat, which has extensive contact with the Arabian Sea. In contrast, Goa has the shortest coastal line. In South India, Andhra Pradesh has the longest coastal stretch. The southernmost tip of the Indian mainland is Kanyakumari, where three water bodies, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean meet. Latitude and longitude. The Tropic of Cancer, located at 23 degree 30 minute north, passes through 8 states including Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal. The standard meridian of India at 82 degree 30 minute east is used to calculate Indian Standard Time. This meridian runs through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, and it is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Interestingly, both the Tropic of Cancer and Standard Meridian intersect in Madhya Pradesh. Major physiographic divisions. India can be broadly divided into 5 physiographic regions: the Great Mountains of North, the North Indian Plains, the Peninsular Plateau, the Coastal Plain, the Islands. Each of these regions has distinct features in terms of elevation, climate, and geology, which we will explore in more detail. The Northern Mountains. The Northern Mountains are young fold mountains, meaning they were formed relatively recently in geographical terms. This region includes the Himalayas, the Trans-Himalayan ranges, the Eastern Highlands or Purvachal. They form a massive barrier to cold winds from Central Asia and influence monsoon pattern, making them critical to India's climate and agriculture. The Himalayas. The Himalayas are the largest and highest mountain range in the world, stretching about 2,500 kilometers from west to east. They lie between the Indus River in the west and the Brahmaputra River in the east. As we moved eastward, the range becomes narrower. The Himalayas consist of 3 parallel ranges, which we will now discuss individually. Greater Himalayas or Himadri. The northernmost and highest range is the Greater Himalayas, also known as Himadri. These peaks often rise about 600 meters. This range is considered the heart of Himalayas. It consists of some of the world's largest peaks like Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi, Makalu, Dholagiri, and Nanga Parvat, also known as Diyamir, located in Jammu Kashmir. Middle Himalayas or Himachal. Next comes the Middle Himalayas, also known as Himachal. These lie between the Himadri and the Shivalik ranges. Their elevation ranges from 3700 meters to 4500 meters. This region is famous for its scenic hill stations Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Darjeeling, Dalhousie. Important mountain ranges here include the Pir Panchal, Dauladar, Mahabharat, and Mussoorie ranges. Outer Himalayas or Shivalik. The Shivalik is the southernmost and lowest in the Himalayan ranges. It is not as continuous or consolidated as other two. Unlike the hard rocks of Himadri and Himachal, the Shivalik is made of soft rocks and sediments, making it prone to landslides and earthquake. In between the Shivalik and the Middle Himalayas are broad valleys called duns, which are composed of gravel and alluvial soils. These are fertile and agriculturally productive. To summarize, India's physiographic makeup is extremely diverse. The Himalayas act as climatic barrier. The plains support intensive agriculture, and the plateau region are rich in minerals. And the coastal and island play crucial role in trade and biodiversity. This diversity is what gives India its ecological richness and cultural variety. Okay, thank you.